Hello. Welcome to YouCook World channel. On the night of January 20th, Apple suddenly relaunched the official sales of the iPhone SE in its online store. The smartphone appeared in the American Apple online store with a decent discount of up to $150 and was sold out in just 2 hours. Experts analyzed the unexpected move from Apple and came to the conclusion that the company can really prepare the iPhone SE2. Apple hinted at the release of the iPhone SE2. IB Times experts believe that Apple's unusual decision to sell the remaining stocks of the iPhone SE may not only be due to the company's desire to clean up the warehouses and make some money. According to experts, Apple decided in practice to check whether consumers still have an interest in a compact iPhone. And considering that the entire batch of iPhone SE was sold out literally in 2 hours, the keen interest of buyers remains even in the USA. The need for such verification has arisen because of the recent failures of the flagship iPhone, which are sold worse than usual. Apple is definitely trying to find steps to get out of the predicament, considering one of the options for saving the launch of a new low-cost iPhone for emerging markets. Over the past couple of months, leading analysts have repeatedly stated that a budget iPhone for the markets of India, China, Russia, Brazil, Argentina, and other developing countries will be a real blessing for Apple. It is not excluded that Apple management is also thinking about this, and therefore it was decided to check the current demand for an affordable and compact iPhone SE. However, it is important to note that these are only forecasts. It may be that Apple simply decided to sell off the remaining iPhone SE stocks in the US so that smartphones simply do not gather dust in warehouses. The first Apple presentation in 2019 is due in March. Recall that the original iPhone SE was presented at the presentation in March 2016. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe and like.